Alright, what is going on, you guys? It is currently 8:04 in the morning. We are headed to Caliper Collision to drop off the Mustang to get a wreck estimate and everything. And hopefully get this new bumper put on and painted. It's gonna be a world of fucking pain because we don't have a truck or anything. And I'm hoping they can do it with what all was put on there. And then we gotta slide over and get the rental car, so we'll see what they give us for a rental. We are here, so we will see what we can do. So the Mustang has officially been dropped off. We're headed now to get a rental. We got little cute dog in the back. What's up, cute dog? Say what's up.
What's up?
6 months later.
Alright, what is going on, you beautiful fucking people? As you can see, we're back in the Red Reaper. That's right, after 3 long weeks, we have officially made it back into the Red Reaper. Thank goodness. I've been waiting so long. We got the new bumper on. I'll reveal that soon. But for now, unfortunately it's raining outside. But for now, we're gonna take the car back to the rental car, back to the rental place. I did a few pulls when I first picked it up. It's nice to have her back. She's finally back. And I can't wait to officially do more content. If you guys haven't noticed, I haven't been posting much content, especially of the Mustang. Really no content at all. That's because, 1, the weather's been trash here. 2, the Red Reaper's been in the body shop for going on 3 weeks. We've been working with Liberty Mutual and it has been miserable. As you can hear, the rain is coming down. It's been miserable working with Liberty Mutual. Nobody's on the same page. But we got the new bumper installed. They had an electrical issue. Had to get that worked out, a little kink. And then we're still waiting on some more parts to come in for the Mustang. They had me in a RAV4, a Toyota RAV4, which those things are freaking amazing. You talking about practicality within one's life, being this guy, I loved it. She's back, baby. Oh, I love this fucker. My favorite cars I've owned, easily, hands down. And the bumper, wait until I show you guys. It's got a little twist to it. It's not the same bumper that I went in there with. It's a slightly different twist, and I'm gonna show you why. But the paint match, compared to the old one, to a T. So the body shop did a pretty decent job at the painting, not gonna lie. She needs a good little detail. You already know what I'm gonna do, boys. Ooh, that's another thing. I do not miss this suspension at all. I think, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the coilovers off of this car. And I know I'm gonna hate the fitment for a little bit, but it's only temporary. And I'm gonna go and throw the lowering springs with the stock shocks and suspension on it. But we are arriving to Enterprise rental car right now to drop off the rental car. I don't know if you guys can see, Sierra's currently behind me. We're gonna go drop it off. All right, guys, here is the Red Reaper now. Notice anything different? Well, for starters, we got that bad boy on. So apparently I didn't know when I got the old bumper, but it's supposed to have a piece on it. Shout out to, what was it, the Spider Sting had his on there, and that's how I found out about it. But the one that we got, the new one, came with it, so it's a little bit more of an aggressive look. All the wiring's up. The paint match is 10 times better, if you ask me. It's pretty solid. Overall, I would say it came out pretty great. If anything, it matches so much with the fenders. Dude, it's clean. Like I said, I'm gonna have to zip tie those later on, zip tie them back up so that they're out of the way. But other than that, the side profile just gives it so much more of an aggressive look. I feel like, yes, it's gonna be the rock magnet over there. It's gonna catch so much bugs inside there, I feel like. But overall, guys, it's pretty solid. I think what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna take and put the Red Reaper tag on.
And then the clutch.
And then we're doing the clutch, which is gonna be the most pricey thing, I think, out of everything.
And then a splitter, and then a diffuser. Oh, not a splitter.
I want to do the
spoiler.
I want to do the wicker Bill, whatever it's called.
Spoiler,
so.
we're getting a spoiler.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see how it all goes down. But overall, I'm just glad she's finally back. All right, until next time, guys. I think I'm gonna do a little sequel for the tag, and I'll have that posted in a little bit. But, or you might already see it before I post this. But she's back, and she's back in action.